Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Origin Investments, accessible through their website at origininvestments.com, offers a compelling avenue for investors seeking to diversify their portfolios within the private real estate market. Traditionally, this sector presented significant barriers to entry for individual investors, often requiring substantial capital, complex due diligence processes, and illiquidity. Origin aims to democratize access to this lucrative asset class by offering a streamlined, technology-driven platform. Through their platform, investors can gain exposure to a diversified range of private real estate investments, carefully curated and managed by Origin's team of seasoned professionals. The company emphasizes a data-driven approach to investment selection, leveraging market analysis and proprietary algorithms to identify promising opportunities that align with their investment strategies. Origin offers varying investment options designed to cater to different investor profiles and risk tolerances, providing opportunities for both accredited and, in some cases, non-accredited investors. They prioritize transparency and investor education, offering resources and insights to help investors understand the nuances of private real estate investing. Furthermore, Origin's platform provides regular performance updates and portfolio tracking tools, empowering investors to monitor their investments effectively. By lowering the traditional barriers to entry, Origin Investments strives to make private real estate investing more accessible, allowing individuals to participate in the potential for attractive risk-adjusted returns and long-term wealth creation. Their commitment to technology, data-driven decision-making, and investor education positions them as a modern solution for navigating the complexities of the private real estate market. Explore the website to learn more about their investment philosophy, current offerings, and the team behind Origin Investments. Whether you are an experienced real estate investor or just starting your journey, Origin Investments offers a platform designed to simplify access and enhance your participation in this dynamic market segment. Consider exploring their resources and connecting with their team to discuss your investment goals and how Origin's platform can contribute to achieving your financial objectives. They aim to empower investors with the tools and insights needed to make informed decisions and potentially benefit from the compelling opportunities presented by the private real estate market.